Alright, package just came in, finally. This is supposed to be a new mixture control solenoid in the gasket for when you change that on the top of the carburetor. Got it on eBay from these guys. It was 90, I think 96 something total. Give me a mint too. But this is it right here, brand new. Mixture control solenoid. It doesn't come with the spring. It comes with the gasket right here, the gasket for the that goes around this right here, and the gasket for the carburetor for when you take the top off the carburetor. But it doesn't come with the spring or the thing, but I have the one that's in the car already, and I have the extra one from the junkyard, but it looks brand new. Thing's shining. So finally this came, so right now I'm gonna call a guy to see when he can put this in, get this done as soon as possible. I'm finally on my way to drop this car off for the carburetor to get tuned up. Got the mixture control solenoid and the gasket in the box. Brought this with me in case the guy doesn't have one. I don't want to hear nothing. I brought these with me. So hopefully this car's fixed, and hopefully it doesn't cost a lot of money. He told me about $50 an hour to work on the car. He asked me if he asked me if I was gonna take the carburetor off and just bring him the carburetor, but I can't do that. I can't have the car sitting in my house with no carburetor on it. The engine will probably be full of rats by the time I get the carburetor back. Yeah, it's crazy. My neighborhood is crazy. I don't know, but I didn't even know that until one night I looked at the camera and I seen them having a party in the parking lot. But that's another story. That's why when I seen that a little while ago in the video, when I seen the cover for the wires was ate up, that's the first thing I thought was the damn rats got to my wires, but they didn't get to them yet. But winter is coming, so hopefully I don't have that problem with the rats eating my wires in my car and my engine. But yeah, I'm on my way to his house right now. I'm a little bit late, but I told him I'd be there at 2. But what can I do? I'll be there in like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. But that's about it. I'll turn you guys back on when I get there, or I'll update you guys another time. But I'm just going to his house, drop off the car, going to work. Gotta put some gas in here before I drop the car off. It's a good thing there's a gas station right here on the corner of his street. Well, the next street over, so put a little bit of gas in here. I'm not trying to fill it up over here because gas is crazy over here. So let me put this gas in. I'm already late. I swear I'm too fat for this. Riding bike to work. But this dude better fix my damn car. That's all I knew. I'd rather do it now than when it's freezing out here. But yeah, he told me he had my I have my car back tomorrow, so should be good tomorrow. All right, so yesterday I dropped the car off to the carburetor guy. Today I just got in the car, it started right up. One push of the gas pedal like I usually do. It used to be 3 a while ago, but I only have to do 1 pump of the gas now. He said it's running better than it was. So far, the car's been running for about, I don't know, maybe a minute. Check engine light hasn't came on. That's good because usually the check engine light will come on, so that's a good thing, I guess. The car's still doing a little shaking, but he was like, it's probably not gonna get any better than that. But one of my friends told me, if you look back in the old videos, that he told me to change the gap to 80. I had it at 60. He told me to put it to 80. I think I need to put it back to 60. But I'm not really worried about that right now. I just got the car back last night around 9 o'clock. Just gonna drive the car today, drive it for a while until I get the parts, I guess. Gonna order new spark plug wires because I broke some when I was regapping the spark plugs. Check engine light still didn't come on. That's great. So I'm gonna buy new wires, and I'm gonna probably buy new plugs too. I should just regap the ones that's in here, but it's better just buy new ones. They're cheap anyway. So I'll buy plugs, wires. Everything else is new. I don't really have to buy anything else. So plugs and wires, I'm gonna have to order those, and that's about it. The check engine light still hasn't came on. The car's running. It's idle and high now because it's warmed up. I should slam the gas and let it go down, but I'm just gonna drive it and see what happens. See if this light comes on. But he charged me $150. No, he charged me $100 to do that. To put this. He marked them. He put the new gasket in. This is the old gasket. I can tell because it's wet. This is the one that I got from the junkyard. It says used on it. And this one right here is the original, the one that was in my car. But the new one he put in, the mixture control solenoid, I don't know, it seems alright. But it's still a little shaky, but I don't know. I'm gonna change the spark plugs and wires. I told him that I wanna have him do the, what is it? The water pump. But I'm not in a rush to do that, but it does need to get done because, as I showed you guys in the other video, that it has a noise in it when you shake it, so that means the bearing's going. But yeah, that's about it. That's the update on the Cutlass. Finally got the carburetor looked at. That's about it. Started with Cutlass, Monte Carlos, and Regals, man. Yeah, I just rode down the street a little bit. Still no check engine light. So I'm happy with that. I didn't take it on the highway yet, but all right, since I'm at the laundromat, wasting time anyway, take a look and see if he missed any vacuum hoses. I don't really want to take the air cleaner off.
I like this car. What year is this?
It's an 84.
This is Oldsmobile?
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing's sweet.
Thank you. So far, I don't see anything unhooked. Get out the way before she hits me. I don't want to take the air cleaner off, but this is where I unplugged the EGR valve. Everything looks the same, just the way I left it. Oh, I see a crack. I see a crack in the line. That's why. You see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. That's why it was acting funny right there. Damn. That's why. Last night when I turned it on, the vent wasn't coming on. You see the crack? So that's gonna have to get fixed, but that ain't nothing. I'll just take this off, this fitting, and put it down here and run a hose. I don't know. I'll do something. I'll figure it out. But now I know why that wasn't working right. But it's alright. I should take this air cleaner off. Might as well. I ain't got nothing to do. I got 22 minutes. I see he moved the air bleed valve because the red was on the red where I marked it, and it's over there now. So you can tell he did something. I don't know why he had to put this holes in that clamp, but it's over there. The new, you see the new mixture control solenoid? Alright, everything looks good over here. I thought when he called me, well, he texted me at like 9 o'clock, like 8:45, and he was like, can you call me? I was like, oh my God, here we go. But he told me he just finished, it's done, and he told me he'll pick me up at work. It's a good thing because I had to ride my bike to work from his house. But he came and picked me up. I didn't have to ride my bike home. That was good. But yeah, everything looks the way it should be. I don't see any hoses disconnected that should be connected. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, so what I did, I just bought this little I guess this has fuel injection holes. Fits in there tight. It just patched it up. That's all I did. MIKEGTV. B.